Here's the footwell module that I'll be reinstalling back into the car. It goes down here on the left hand side, just behind this kick panel here where the bonnet release latch is, and it's got three attachments, three harnesses. One down there are the other two, that one there and that one down there. Now this green one here will go at the front, just there. We turn this around. The other two are those ones that I referred to earlier. That one there and that one down the bottom. And this footwell module will be orientated like this. Yep. And then I'll just put the trim back in place. So I've just held this kick panel open with the screwdriver. That will allow me hopefully a bit more access in here without trying to hold this section back out of the way. And once I've got this footwell module in, that should bring back all the features, because yeah, it's a corrupt FRM 3R in this R56 model Mini. So I've disconnected the battery. There's the negative terminal there. Just disconnected it, making sure that it's not, please don't connect yours while you're hooking up your FRM module, footwell module. So it's disconnected. Okay, that's negative terminal out of the way. So there's the screw there and the one down the bottom under the carpet, just down there. It's hard to see, but nice one. Okay, so now it's reconnected. I've just tightened those screws in. Here's the little plastic bolts, nuts that they give you, I should say. The joys of being left-handed when you're tightening nuts or screws. Please leave a comment below if you are left-handed and you have the same struggle that I do with fixing cars. Taking things on and putting things off as a left-hander, cars are not user-friendly for us guys. Okay, that's one. don't worry, I'm not over tightening. It's just a long way to go, that's all. Talk amongst yourself. Meanwhile, back at the ranch, are we there yet? Oh, come on. How long is this bolt? It's going in. It's not stripped. Oh, 2 hours later. Just the bottom one. Oh, how convenient. That one went in nice. Okay. That thing's nice and secure. What I'll do, I just want to test the functions in the vehicle before I put the trim panel back in all that stuff. So these things keep falling out. Where is it? There. So we got one there. And one there. I don't think that's on properly. Nope. Okay. No damage. Right, I see it. There you go. Okay, quite a few of them. They're all in place, modules in place, it's right up. Let's go do the battery. This is the bit that makes me nervous with the Mini. Okay, so I've got the positive connected. Here we go. Okay, I just heard the windows initialize. It's a nice sound. Haven't heard that for a while. So, interior lights are on. Wonderful. Okay, get the keys and see how we go. I'm trying as much as possible to shoot all this in one take. Ring all of this paraphernalia. See if we can see that. No, because I can't. Oh, here we go. These lights are on. Ambient lighting's on. Sunroof. Power windows. Okay. Okay, and I'll pull the window up. Okay, window won't stay up. It goes up and then it falls back down. Let's see if I can initialize the windows using my OBD scanner. Okay, I've got my finger on the button right now. Okay, my finger's off. It's automatic. Let's see if I can. Hand's not on the button. Oh, it stayed up. Good. So it needed reinitializing, which you could do in the car. So if I put the window down, one touch, just turn off that fan. Right, and one touch up. Lights are on. Lights are off. Okay, that's great. Automatic lights. Now the indicators, apparently that's the big one. Let's see. Yep. Great. Hazards. I could see them flashing out in the reverse. Lights on the toolbox there. Turn off the lights, make it easier to see. That's the left side. That's the right side. Had the hazards on while I was using the indicator. Okay, try again. So left. Right. Off. Hazards. Check engine light is on. Okay. I'll see what the scanner can do. The footwell lights are on. So I'm just in the settings after registering the battery and installing the footwell module. Just going into some settings here. Okay, they're all good. Okay, no errors. Great. Cool. Okay. Okay, so I've reinstalled the footwell module, tested it, everything seems okay so far. Now to put the body panel, this kick panel in.